Well, hello there, girlfriend. Super excited to be here with you today, and we are going to talk about how to get ready for radiance. Are you ready? Let's do this. See you on the other side. So, let's talk about getting ready for radiance. We are right amongst the summertime, which I just absolutely love, warm weather, and we want to give you some real glow this summer. So, what I wanted to do is share a highlighter makeup. We're also going to talk about how you can virtually try on the makeup. And in addition to that, we are going to share with you exactly how to put it on once you get it. Okay, so let's go right into it. When you think about highlighter, you think about glowing. You think about a luminescence pearl type finish. I'm sure you also think about something that's really kind of light reflective. And I'm going to show you a limited edition must-have product that you are going to want to put into your beauty bag today. So let's go to it. And it looks great on all complexions. So I'm going to show you this. This is our special edition Mary Kay highlighter. And it comes in one great shade. And the shade is called Golden Glow. It looks great on every complexion, y'all. I am showing, of course, this woman with dark skin. So you can see exactly how it looks. You see she's putting it on right above her cheek, and that's exactly where you would want to. It's under the eye, but right above the cheek to give you that nice glow. In addition to that, this is a more fair skinned woman. She has freckles, and you can see the highlighter here on her too, and it looks really great. We also have someone that's more of a beige complexion. So we're talking maybe, someone of Hispanic descent, or maybe even just has more of an olive type of skin tone. This would be you, and this looks great on you as well. And then we have more of an ivory complexion this also looks great on. So regardless of what your complexion is, this special edition highlighter is going to look great on you. It does have a shimmer finish, and it is called the Golden Glow. So I just had to share this with you because this was one of the highlighted products in our new summer catalog, and I wanted to share that with you. Also wanted you to know that right now we don't have samples of this, so the great way for you to try this would be trying this virtually on. We have an app that would allow you to do that. It is free. And if you're interested in that app, you can get the link down in the description. The great thing about the app is it is an app that's on Apple phones as well as Android. So regardless of what type of phone you have, you'll get to indulge in the app, upload your picture, and virtually try the highlighter on so you can see what it looks like on your complexion. But what I've already shown you, girl, you already know it's going to look good on you. Now, the next question that you may be asking is, well, girl, how do I apply it? Well, you can't go wrong with our cheek brush. The great thing I love about the cheek brush, as you can see, it's angled and it has this little indentation here. So when it comes to putting highlighter on, I like to press that down so I can put the brush into the highlighter powder and just put it right on my cheeks right here. Now, the actual location of it is going to be right below the eye. You don't want to go past the pupil of your eye. So when you apply it and you push the brush down, you're putting it right here on your cheek. So it's above your cheekbone. As you can see, some of them were wearing it as cheek color, but typically when you put a highlighter on, you want it to be right above your cheekbone. And then when you put your blush on, you can do a fish mouth and just apply it on the apple of your cheek. The highlighter is going to be above the apple of your cheek, just so you know the placement. So try this product. It's a must-have. You want to see what it looks like on you? Get the virtual app. You want to try the product for yourself and actually indulge in it? Get the cheek brush as well as the Golden Glow powder, and let's get it done, girls. I know you want to be cute this summer, and this will definitely help you highlight your cheekbones and be the brighten up your face. I guess that's really why you use highlighter, is to brighten up the face right above the cheekbone, so you can turn heads as you're walking into whatever room you're walking into this summer. So if you have questions, by all means let me know. I'll have all of the links for the cheek brush as well as the powder, as well as the link to virtually try it on down in the description. And as always, we want you to share this with 3 of your friends, because you can't keep this kind of stuff to yourself. You got to share it with your girlfriends. They want to know how to do this too. They want to be cute too. And with like a good girlfriend, you got to look out for your girls. So share this with 3 friends. We'll see you next time, and bye for now.